Weche mago mamoko moloyo to mago matimore kaunti mano ma Kisumu kae. Kambende wayudo kanyo ni piny owacho oyango mano mar biro chako kanyo ayanga gedo mano mar ndacho kolo mano ma Naivasha, Kisumu nyaka e pinyno.
Dr. William Ruto, His Excellency, and the President Yoweri Museveni to come and do the groundbreaking for the standard gauge railway. Another extension from Naivasha to Kisumu and eventually to Malaba, some 369 kilometers of rail, standard gauge railway. A very, very significant construction, which is not only going to open up the regional transport corridor, which is currently serviced predominantly by trucks, but we also have a passenger facilitation to be able to improve the transportation of goods to market and people to market, people and people to people. So we are basically checking the preparedness of this particular day. We do expect that we'll host in excess of 20,000 people on this particular day.